Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dodo's YouTube channel, Wanderum 2.0. It's a really bright morning from Sangli, and see, here is the view. Waking up to the mountains is the best feeling ever. Hello, good morning from Sangli. I slept real good, and one thing I want to tell you, and in the mountains, they use this thick blanket or the kambal. Usually in the cities, we use this as the sleeping bed. But imagine, even after using this much, I was damn cold. Though there is no AC and no fan, I covered completely myself and slept off. That cold it is. Life in Pahad mountains is completely different. A brand new experience for everyone. So I have taken out everything, and yesterday Ganga Bhaiya have come to the room and told what is not necessary and what is not necessary. So I'm going to discard some stuff here, and the second place in the base camp again I can discard some and take only the dry, the warm related things. So the first thing first, he told this is mandatory, and the woolen socks, and we have the woolen gloves, and we also have this woolen cap. So these he told to carry for sure, and as many as pairs of the woolen socks, the warm socks. I'm carrying all of them. And next is that comes his gloves. These are normal gloves, and I can use from tomorrow itself. And four pairs of t-shirts, and comes two pants. I'll be wearing one, so total is three. And the poncho, which is mandatory, and they have told it is gonna rain. And one is the proper sunglasses which I can use when it is too sunny in the snow. And this is normal sunglasses, I can use it in a daytime from today itself. And these are my medical pouch, and these are my toiletries, and the major thing, tissues and wet tissues, since I'll not be taking bath from today itself. So these are the survivors, and this is food, like I have protein bars and everything. And this is the daily waste bag I'll be carrying, and I'm carrying 3 power banks since I need to charge majority of the gadgets. And so all related to gadgets related to logging. And this jacket I'm carrying, a normal wind is there, I can use this jacket. And this gloves for extreme cold temperatures, and this muffin from today itself I can use. And I have a balaclava. So this is a normal jacket. So after saying everything, he told everything is perfect, and I can discard some things here, I can keep some things here. Apart from that, so there is one issue he told is that the jacket might not be sufficient for the temperatures. It might fall till -20 when it comes to the summiting day. He told if I can rent a jacket from here. So I said completely okay. So I'll be going to the market now to take the jacket. And apart from that, I had one fleece jacket, and I have a couple of pairs of thermals. And I also have the normal 0 degree, -5 degree jacket as well. And one good thing is that do one thing, if the bag is coming empty, and whatever the warm layers of yours are there, you can keep inside the bag and give it to us. And basically he will be giving that to Porter, and Porter will carry it till base camp, and then I can pick it from the base camp and give it. Very nice I felt, because he told the less weight you carry, the more good the trekking is. And so all our bags are dumped there, and they'll be taking us to certain point. From there we'll have to start climbing. This one I'm giving it to Porto.
अभी जाएंगे हम तालुका से थोड़ा आगे रोड जाएगा डाटमीर तक.
Okay.
हाँ, उसके बाद पैदल.
Hi. All set to go. Hello. And his Shishir, Deepak, Ramiz, Adil. Yeah.
It is mandatory go through forest permit checks. We have started our journey to Sangri. It is a 11-kilometer drive to Taluka, followed by 7-kilometer hike to Osla. The journey to Osla is very beautiful, crossing through pristine nature, rivers, and many charming villages. To our surprise, the roads were under construction and it might take a few hours to clear them. We decided to start a trek from here instead of wasting time waiting.
We have started our trekking to Black Peak. We are so excited. The luggage looks heavy. It is heavy though. Without any delay, we don't want to delay further, so we started walking. There are 3 GoPros. It's Hero 10, Hi Hero 10, or a Hero 12 is with them, and I'm using Hero 11. There's a village called Katmir, and after this we will reach to Osla.
लकड़ी के घर इसलिए होते हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मतलब पूरा बर्फ से ढका रहता है।
ओके।
तो इसीलिए 3-4 महीने मतलब माउंटेन में सर्वाइवल करना आपको तो पता है कैसे होता है। तो इसीलिए लकड़ी घर में गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए लकड़ी के घर यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर बनते हैं। सारे देखेंगे आप लकड़ी के घर है सारे।
Just to keep them warm in winters and extreme winters, they use wood to make their homes. And this is how they are doing farming here. I'm bit getting tired now. It's been maybe first time I'm doing with the bag. The practice is walking though, but it is a bit tough. Dropping is we all will be climbing this. We will stand here and go for a while. Maza aa jayega. Behind this van.
नमस्कार भाई जी।
उस पे नहीं बैठे।
अरे आप इसमें बैठो तो सही।
उधर लगता है।
हाँ वो सस्पेंशन।
We got a lift from someone. We all sat in the van and going for a while. Having fun here. We are getting proper massage. Our bags are falling, and the road is very bad. And we are getting it real bad.
अच्छा तो पैदल चल रहा था।
Yeah, actually, walking is far better than sitting here. I shifted my place here. Now we are on top. We are having fun, and they are here.
जेल में।
जेल में।
वो आखिरी गांव ओसला। कहाँ है ओसला? वो सामने दिख रहा है वो।
ऊपर वाला पीछे पीछे सामने की पहाड़ी पे।
I have only one major problem whenever I do something extreme or any exercise, na, I sweat a lot. You can see I'm not tired though, but I'm just sweating a lot. I'm expecting if there is any sort of stream, if I can see. Now I will wash my face. Ganga?
गंगाड़।
Gangari.
हाँ, ये गंगाड़ गाँव है, ओस्ट्रा उत्तर में है।
This is Gangari, and if you can see, there on the top of the mountain is Osla. Hey guys, he is Ganga Rana's father. And क्या है भाई
फूल है
इसमें?
फूलन ऊन ऊन
देखो
ये ऊन है,
इसमें
ये ये
क्या करते हो इससे?
इससे कपड़े बनाते
आप बनाते हो?
खुद बनाते
ऐसा बनाते हो?
जी,
आपने बनाया क्या ये?
खुद बनाते।
मेरे लिए भी बना के दे देना। It's very tough, yaar. We were all going down till now, and we are ascending. And because of the heavy weight of the bag, it is getting tougher. But let's keep the energy high. Yeah, finally I can have tea here. Water is extremely cold. Extremely. Whenever you keep water in deep freezer, na, it is that cold. Ordered chai, especially Vinagre Cola. Chai and banana from Nandos. वीडियो नहीं चाहिए? क्यों नहीं चाहिए? कितना गर्लफ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं वीडियो देखने के बाद, है ना? गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं चाहिए?
ये क्रिकेटर है।
कौन?
ये तीनों बंदे क्रिकेटर है।
वो बॉलिंग कौन करते हैं, बैटिंग कौन
ये
करते
जो
हैं?
रेंज है ना,
हाँ
उसके पीछे ग्राउंड है। अभी धूप है,
हाँ।
इस कारण ये वहाँ से यहाँ है नाश्ते के लिए।
ओ,
बिस्किट, मुझे भी एक बिस्किट दिया।
नाम क्या है आपका? नाम क्या है? हाँ राम। और आपका नाम क्या है? जॉन। बॉलर कौन है आपसे? और बैटिंग? अंपायर कौन है? पता चल गया आपको, देख के ही पता चल। This is grass juice. This is mint on this. ये क्या है?
ये रोडोडेंड्रॉन।
Oh. It's getting hot out. I couldn't use sunglasses. I can't use the sun cap anymore. I just want one more stream to clean myself. Looks like we are going very near to one of the base camp. I don't know which is ours or Harkidum people's. And I am even nearing water streams. This much of water behind me, I'm craving for water right now. That's what now. We will be stopping for lunch here. The water is too cold. We washed our lunch boxes and it is too cold. Everyone is sleeping outside. I've come inside one of the tents and trying to sleep off. I have this habit of sleeping post lunch for a while. Maybe a power nap. I'll have to do it right away. See you later. I started feeling giddiness. I'm unable to walk straight. Uh, it's so weird. Without that pole support, I'm unable to walk. Um, you know, so to divert my mind, I'm just shooting this. See, I am unable to walk straight. I don't know why it is happening. It never happened to me. It's their play time. The destination of the day, Seema. Uncle ji is resting. एक मंदिर भी है शिव जी. This is the temple of Lord Shiv. If you can look at the shape of this fountain or the water resource, it looks like a proper cobra, and as if the water is coming from the mouth of cobra. See. Altitude here is 2769 meters. We finished our day 1. We have reached Seema. How did you feel?
It was really nice, very scenic and beautiful track.
Mm-hmm.
Little exhausting, but the scenery was wonderful, so enjoyed it all.
How did you feel?
Very tired.
Very tired. Me too, actually.
Yeah.
You?
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
हाँ, ये तो एडवांस बंदे. और you?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
मजा आ रहा है?
बेहतर, बहुत बढ़िया ट्रैक.
This is our stay timing. This is our room. All 5 of us will stay in this room for today. And we have toilets as well.
In the evening, we went to explore nearby places.
From here, Harkidon is 14 kilometers, and tomorrow we are doing equal distance to Roinsara Tall. Means we can even finish Harkidon in one day. We got cutlet and chai as evening snacks. The first one which you are seeing there is Harkidon Peak, and the next one where the sunlight is going is Atta Peak. Harkidon, you have to go this side, and Roinsara Lake that side, and we will be going towards that side tomorrow. we got the zoo.
That's all about our journey from Sangri to Sima. Let's meet again in my next video where we will be traveling to Ruinzara. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.